Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to delete character AI chats. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your character.ai app. Then after, here you can see the option of your chat, whichever chat you want to delete. Tap on it. Then go to this profile icon or the name. Tap it over there. Then over here you can see the option of remove messages. Then tap on the messages you want to remove. Then tap on delete selected messages. There you go. Your messages have been deleted. Like this, you can delete all the chats you want. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.